Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video. How are you guys doing? So I'm back today guys with another reaction video to the group JO1. Love them, and this is their live version to their song Shine a Light. I'm so excited and I'm back. I am back to reacting. Don't block this YouTube because I don't have time.
Shine a light.
Shine a light. Shine a light. Shine a light. I want. Oh, is he lip singing? Are they lip singing or are they singing over a soundtrack? He's singing live, the Shine the Light. Shine the light, I want, shine the light, I want. Shine. Shiny, only one. Come through. Shine a light. Shining. Okay. Come on, footwork. The one. Oh, I'm here for it. I am here for it. I am here for it. That was JO1 live version to the song Shine a Light. I'm here for it. How many people's in this group? Like, let me see. Let me look behind me real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. About 11 people in this group. I'm here for JO1. I'm welcome back to Tokyo. Thanks to the person who recommended me to react to this group. I really do appreciate it so much. I like JO1. The new kid, they're working. These groups are working. They're working. I'm here for it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section to get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.